Okay, let's continue our messages app. Today I will try to figure out the message from who sent message. Like you can see, as I login ID number 1, and I can see users message ID number 3. But if I log out and log in with ID number 3, that person is Anita. Login. I go to messages. If I click on same conversation, I can't see message. Uh, for that, let me get its all messages, but not depend on our this ID. So fix this. I need to first of all, I am getting messages, but I am calling only users. You can see it's only users list. Okay, all users, but I need only messages joined with users. Okay, uh, I will join this conversation table user 1 and user ID. We will make a joint user table and conversation ID. Okay, conversation table. For that, uh, let's say table users and join conversation where users ID same as our conversations dot user 1. Okay, this is user ID. We want to fetch that data. Hello, user 1 is 1, so we will fetch this. Okay, and where condition, we need conversation dot user 2 same as our who is logged in. Okay, who is logged in. Wait, try to return these messages. Get messages. You can see is user ID with who send request, where user 1 is equal to user ID, but it's not complete. We need one more. Let's name it all user 1. Copy this. We are not returning here, and share. Second array will be 2. This time user 2 equal to user ID. Who send me message, and whom I send message. Okay, and here just switch that. If I name it all user 2 and try to return this, it's empty because I am logging with other user who have a only one conversation. I am try to log in with that user who have a minimum 2 conversation. Okay, go to get messages, this one, second, and this user have a multiple conversation. Refresh, it's other user. We need to combine both of user. For that, let's say array merge, and first of all user 1 to array. Okay, this one you, and second one all user to array. Okay, now just return this array, combine both, refresh. Yeah, you have a full conversation because this conversation have a two conversations, one with the id number 3, one with the id number 10, and we are combine it. Okay, just go to messages. Okay, now you can see I am seeing nothing because I have to set this id also. Go to messages. Here we are try to fetch this id. Actually this time id is equal to conversation id. For that just comment this all, we don't need this all data. Okay, just copy this user message. We want to display user message, and this time we want to messages where message or conversation id. Which id? This id, because we are passing the conversation id this time. Just remove it, make it variable, and you will see your message according to click on user. You can see. Yeah, interesting. Yes. uh, Log out, log into any other person who have a conversation, and second person is Anita. I am logging with that person. Login, go to messages, and this is your message. This message from me. No, this message from this person, and this is me. I am fine, Adi. What is you, Nita? I want to reply this message, so I will go to check my conversation ID will be one, and I will insert new message from me to one, and conversation ID you can see one, conversation one, and messages versus doing Anita. I will say I am working and little busy. Talk to you later, Deep. Okay, this is message, and by default it will be value status 1. Okay, now if I click here, you can see it's message from me without any refresh. Just click on it and you can see this. Okay, now I want to display images, profile images. For that, just copy this. Okay, copy, and where I am want to display uh, image right here, and just change the style little bit. This time width will be 30, and let's see how it's look. Refresh, because we changed the design. I think, yeah, here change the your value of for loop. Refresh, it's not coming because I think let's see what is the problem. Single message dot pick. Let's see here. Oh, I forget to join with user. Here you need to add join with user. Okay. Mm, let's say join with user table because we need display user data. User ID will be messages dot user from. Okay, just refresh. Click here. Yeah, you can see it's okay. Just set the its margin. We don't need margin, but I will add little bit left side. Okay, nice. And if want to set this, make it left side because our this message is left side, which we are receiving from other person. Click on it. Left. It's me, right? Yeah, beautiful. And copy this for other data. This time I think I need it uh, here and make it left. Refresh. Yeah, nice, but it will be right side. Okay, refresh. Click. Not right side. It will be left. No problem. I think margin left. No, it also will be here. Refresh. Yes, yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, now try to log out, log in with any other person. I am logging with just randomly. I have a single conversation with Hardeep. You can see this message from. I just remove this ID from here. Just remove it. Okay, save it. Refresh. Okay. Hello, the WhatsApp. It's message by me. It's my profile pic. This one is other person is replying. Okay. If I do the reply for this conversation ID 2, I will insert message. Uh, let's say user from is 10 to 1 and conversation ID 2. I what is the message I find you said I am also fine Hadeep. I am adding her name because you can identify which is user sending message is right or not. Yeah, I am also fine Hadeep. Yes, our message system is ready. Okay, everything is okay. I need one more thing. I want to add text area. Let's say colon d bar level form control. Okay, text area. Let's refresh. Click on message. Not in a loop. Outside the loop. Click on the message. This is your okay. Div style margin top 10 pixel. That's nice. Class you can name it text message area. You can use any name for this. And if I make it design or let's say style Textarea, I am giving it textarea border none. I don't like its border. Okay, refresh. Mm, I think important is okay. No, it's not works. For that, let me see. Border none. Yes, border is none. I think this ID style. Yeah, remove this. Okay, remove this. Add here ID. Okay, and no problem. Just I will figure out this later. For now, I am using inline style. Okay. First of all, margin top is 15 nodes. Okay, and border none. Okay, refresh. I want to show you something more. If I click here, you can see this. But I want to show you how to enter and submit the form. For that, first of all, go to CMD. I want to open my NAP and vuejs. I want to start that Larabook, our project name, and npm run watch. Okay. Now go to your resources, assets, JSs, and your profile.js. Okay. Here you need one more message. Okay. Here you will create message. Let me complete this one. Before that, give it test area. Yes. V model massive from, just giving it name. Massive from means message coming from user. Okay, if I click, that will be working as a Facebook. Enter the phone. Okay, and here is completed. So key down, is inbuilt function in Vue.js and jQuery also. uh, it will be identify which input clicked on our use keyboard. Okay, and message from, you need to declare this that message. Okay, here you will create first of all new input is handler, your function name e, if e dot key, key key code, equal to 13. 13 means enter key, and not not shift key. Basically we need to enter new line. We will confirm it's not a shift key. So uh, prevent default Okay, it's your prefend default. This dot start a new message, a new function. We want to display. We need to display this new message here. Send message. Yeah, and here we will check again if this dot message from that our name of uh, id of text area. Okay, alert form submit. Nice, but before that we need to declare that empty. Okay, save it. I think everything is okay. Refresh. Any errors you can see on the console? I think messy from is not defined. Messy from issue messy from and input handler, everything is okay, but it's showing little bit error. Mm, let's try first. Yeah, so everything okay. That I think vuejs not ready. Okay, uh, I am writing some message. This time I am click on shift and enter. It's new line, but if I click on single enter, form submit, right? It's form submit. We will fetch that data. They say I am okay. New line, new line, new line. Deep. Okay, form submit. But let's say if you want to see what is your submit, you will see as it. Refresh. I am okay. This time I am clicking on shift. New line. Deep. Yeah, you can see all data as you submit. Okay, but if you are clicking on single message, this will be entered by only enter key. Okay. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. We will figure out all left stuff from messenger in next part of video. Thank you. Keep supporting. Like and share. Please comment if you have any query, and get the code from my GitHub. Okay, thank you guys.